Okay, DAV Pushpanjali is very honored to start off a Commonwealth School Enterprise Challenge, which is promoted by Teach a Man to Fish educational charity to promote children in a business enterprise. It is basically aimed to develop the concept of a business planning by students, how to start a business, work on it, put in the raw material, the manpower required, and to create some products which can be sold in the market for a profit. As it's a business, it is aimed for a profit. But the profit here is for women empowerment. The profit would be used for women empowerment, which can be further used for the education of girl child. So that is the aim that DAV Pushpanjali is intending, that it will use the product, the benefit of the business plan for the empowerment of a girl child, that is to provide for her fees, tuition fees, or any other requirement that she has in this particular academic year. By being involved in this kind of a project, my students learn how to plan out an enterprise, how to invest money, how to handle money in a judicious manner, how to use that money in creating better products. Many of them were best out of the waste also. Raw materials were purchased, it was enhanced, like for example the diyas and the dupattas etc. were enhanced further, and it was again sold back to the public on very minimal rates. The response was tremendous, all the products were sold out immediately, and the profit generated was quite good. But what is actually very interesting was the fact that my students learned so much in the process. They developed their speaking skills, organizational skills, managing skills, organizing things in a team. A teamwork effort was tremendous. I had a small group who was also presenting a Nukkad Natak. They were on the top of the sky because their voice was being heard by everybody. They were isolated in that particular group, but they were standing out in that isolation also, and they were reaching out with the message of the school enterprise. We are very thankful Commonwealth for organizing these kind of organizations, these kind of programs in the schools, and helping us and giving us a chance to be a part of it. DAV Pushpanjali is indeed proud to be a part of this enterprise and is honored that we have done it successfully, and we are very happy with the way our students have handled the whole thing. I am really proud of my teachers,